Hello friends, again I am today before you with the model answer of yesterday's question. Yesterday we gave one theoretical question of ethics. So today we are going to discuss and give model answer for that. And today we will be giving one case study for which the model answer we will give tomorrow. So now let us see what was the question yesterday and what can be the model answer for that. Now you see, the question given yesterday was integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. This is a statement from uh, modern philosopher C.S. Lewis. Now, the question actually is discuss the relevance of this statement for a civil servant dealing with conflicting stakeholders' interests and institutional pressure. So this needs to be answered in 150 words because in ethics paper, all theoretical questions are 150 words question and 10 marks question. So this we will attempt to answer in about 150 words. So first, we will define the integrity and then we'll see its relation with civil servants, and particularly when the civil servant is dealing with conflicting stakeholder interests and institutional pressure. So let us start. So integrity, as emphasized by C.S. Lewis, implies internal moral consistency and a commitment to ethical action, even without external scrutiny. So this is important because what Lewis has told that even when no one is watching, no one is scrutinizing, still, if you are able to do right thing, so it means you have the integrity. Your integrity is beyond doubt. So, uh, C.S. Lewis definition of integrity implies internal moral consistency and a commitment to ethical action, even without external scrutiny. Now, for a civil servant, it is the anchor that ensures accountability, transparency, and justice. So, these are the qualities which are ensured in a civil servant if his integrity is beyond doubt. In face of conflicting stakeholders' interests or institutional pressures. So basically, this is in a way we are defining integrity and we are linking it with civil servant and what are the qualities which the integrity uh, ensures in a civil servant. Then now we'll quote a few ethical theories to justify the argument. So deontology of Kant. So from deontological perspective, integrity demands adherence to duty and principles, not consequences. So as you know, I mean, deontology is basically duty-based ethics. So integrity also demands adherence to duty, irrespective of what the consequences will be. So deontological perspective or deontological ethics of Immanuel Kant is directly applicable here. Now we will again quote another ethical principle, virtue ethics. Virtue ethics views integrity as a moral habit, a cultivated character trait that guides action even in ambiguity or isolation. So the virtue ethics of Aristotle also is directly applicable here because it views integrity as a moral habit. Integrity as a moral habit, a cultivated character trait that guides action even in ambiguity or isolation. After this, now quoting the ethical theories, now we'll quote a few documents, maybe ARC document or Nolan committee. So next paragraph, we are going to do that. So in governance where interests of political superiors, corporate lobbies, and the public may diverge, integrity enables the civil servant to act lawfully and ethically. So see, in earlier questions answers also we have noted it. A civil servant uh, has to anyway act lawfully because he cannot act illegally. But along with lawful action, his actions have also to be ethical. So acting lawfully is not sufficient in itself. Lawfulness has to be combined with ethical nature of actions. So this is very important for civil servants. Now, second ARC highlights integrity as the core value ensuring long-term institutional credibility. So now here we are quoting second ARC. Further, we are now quoting Nolan Committee. Nolan Committee principles to prioritize integrity as foundational to public life. Now we'll give a few live examples just to prove our point. So we are giving the examples like of Ashok Khemka and E. Sridharan. So officers like Ashok Khemka who exposed corruption despite frequent transfers, or E. Sridharan who registered pressures during Delhi metro construction, exemplify integrity under stress. Thus, integrity is not situational. It is an enduring ethical compass. So this is again important, that it's not only situational, it is enduring ethical compass. It is a matter of habit. It's basically just like a character trait, as virtue ethics says. So this is the conclusion which we arrive at. So in 150 words, we have covered all the points, quoting all the relevant ethical theories, examples, documents, etc. So this completes the answer as far as yesterday's question is concerned. Now let us see what will be today's question, which we will be answering tomorrow. So this is case study. Tribal artist painting criticizing a government mining policy goes viral. Political leaders seek sedition charges. How do you uphold freedom of expression while managing public order? So this needs to be answered in about 200 words. A model answers will be giving tomorrow on this channel itself. We'll first discuss and then we'll explain and then we'll give. I will once again read the case study just for your clarity. A tribal artist painting criticizing a government mining policy goes viral. Political leaders seek sedition charges. How do you uphold freedom of expression while managing public order? So basically, this is the case study which we will be answering, giving model answer tomorrow. I thank all the viewers for today's video. Again, we will meet tomorrow with the model answer of the today's question, that is the case study which I have just described. So thank you for watching today's video. Thank you one and all. Thank you.